Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You open Google Slides and start with a blank canvas. That gets you working immediately. First, sign into your Google account and navigate to Slides. Google.com or use Drive right arrow new right arrow Google Slides. Once there, pick a template only if it saves time, otherwise choose blank to control layout. Rename the file at the top so autosave keeps the title. Make sure to set a simple slide size now to avoid reformatting later. This step preserves spacing as you add content. Once your file is named, use the slide right arrow edit master to define fonts, colors, and a logo so every slide stays consistent. You should create or modify layouts, title slide, 2-column, and content with image, so adding new slides is fast. Insert placeholders for headings, body text, and images so content fits without manual resizing. As you build, duplicate finished slides for repeatable patterns, and use arrange right arrow align to keep elements tidy. That reduces visual clean. To finish, review speaker notes and run present to check timings and transitions. You want smooth flow. Next, decide how to distribute. Use file right arrow share to set viewer or editor permissions, or download as PDF or PPTX if needed. Make sure linked images and charts are embedded or accessible so they display offline. If something breaks, reload the file and check version history. Restoring a recent version usually fixes accidental deletions or formatting errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.